or the Commandant General Special Intelligence Corps, they were all being apprehended and be able to arrest them. So to the states in question, acting on credible intelligence, the Commandant General Special Intelligence Squad arrested 6 suspects involved in this deadly act. They are Azan Buka, Adamu Musa, also known as Yellow, Ibrahim Aruna, known as Biggie, Adamu Mohammed, Fahal Abdullahi Haliu, Abubakar Yusuf, and others at large. But we are currently trailing them, and soon they will be arrested. All the suspects have given voluntary information on how they operate and carry out their activities across the states earlier mentioned. We have been adequately briefed by the Commandant General Special Intelligence Squad, Commandant A.F. Dandaura, who narrated how the effective operations that led to the arrest of these notorious syndicates were carried out. The following exhibits were recovered at the point of arrest: a Toyota Corolla LE 2005, a Honda EOD 2004 model, a Toyota Corolla CE, a Toyota Corolla 1998 model, a Honda Accord 2008 model, 8 different vehicle particulars, and 61 different vehicle plate numbers. Also, 2 suspects were arrested by the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps operatives attached to Boa International Cement Factory, Opela, Esoko East in Edo State. This was a joint operation with the Commandant General Special Intelligence Squad. The suspects are Good Day Okagbe and Monday Precious. They were arrested with 4 24-liter jerrycan of hydraulics and have made confessions to their various involvement in the crime. In another development, 2 other suspects were arrested during routine patrol by our operatives at Boa International Cement Factory. They are Menasara Samuel Marcos and Sonny Abba. Menasara confessed to vandalizing a 16 meters cable and another 2 meters, which he pulled off the insulated cover and sold to Sonny Abba for 20,000 naira. On behalf of the Commandant General, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, let me reassure the public of our commitment to eradicating organized crime, and we urge the public to continue to have confidence in us and always report suspicious vehicle transactions, and also ensure you demand valid ownership documents before purchasing any vehicles. These 10 suspects will be charged to court at the end of our investigation to serve as deterrent to others out there with criminal tendencies. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Continue to come back home.